Fish will live a longer and healthier life and thank you immensely when the water in the aquarium isn't hiding invisible problems. API's motto is to make a better underwater world. Reef aquariums require calcium, water hardness, and phosphate at superior levels, but it's the sudden spike in the aquarium's nitrate levels that can suddenly upend everyday fish life. Abnormal parameters cause undue stress in the fish and are inconveniently expensive. Avoid these nagging algae blooms and unexpected changes in pH. API test kits include 7 testing bottles, 2 color guides, and 4 cap test tubes. Accurately monitor all 4 parameters weekly, and your fish will be in swimmingly excellent health. The API website offers comprehensive safety data PDFs for reference and a helpful and friendly customer support team ready to assist. And that makes API the best aquarium test kit. The pros are research-driven aquarium water testing solutions, economically superior to aquarium water test strips. The cons are, for reef aquariums only, takes practice to understand reagent accuracy.